Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shubham Academy. In this video we are going to see proper guide of Masters in Civil Engineering, so let's
Shining like the stars you see above. I wanted to be a key by my side. Not dropping through.
Whether designing bridges or helping to maintain mass transit systems, civil engineers devise plans to face new challenges and upgrade older systems. A civil engineering master's degree is the next step for those with a bachelor's degree in civil engineering or individuals interested in the field. Professionals with a master's can advance their career in exciting new directions. A civil engineering master's degree helps advance a career or earn a higher salary. Civil engineering is a rigorous and important profession, where designs impact people, the environment, and property. A master's degree in civil engineering builds upon a bachelor's degree and explores advanced aspects of engineering. Students gain a deeper understanding of how projects impact the environment and people. Civil engineers often have a broad understanding of how outside factors influence a project, whether legal, material, or social. While enrolled in a civil engineering master's program, you will have the opportunity to network with peers, faculty, and professionals. Many programs help students find work, either directly through the program or through alumni contacts. A master's degree isn't required to work in the engineering field, but it helps you stand out against other job applicants. If you want to engage in important projects or obtain a higher job position, a master's in civil engineering is a good next step. A civil engineering master's degree offers a lot of variation between career paths. Some students might find that a degree specialization leads to a specific job, while others might move into adjacent fields, like urban planning. Some career paths may result in additional education or certification. The 5 careers listed below provide a sample of careers you might look for after graduation. There are many fields for doing masters in civil engineering. Basically, you have to see what are you interested in. The following are the basic courses which are offered in India. They include 1. Structural engineering, 2. Water and fluid engineering, 3. Geotechnical engineering, 4. Transportation engineering, 5. Environmental engineering, 6. Applied mechanics, 7. Construction engineering and management, 8. Survey and GPS technology, 9. Water resources engineering, 10. Ocean engineering, 11. Ocean structural engineering, 12. Remote sensing and GIS, 13. Hydraulics engineering, 14. Geomatics, 15. Infrastructure systems, 16. Structural dynamics, 17. Soil dynamics, 18. Seismic vulnerability and risk assessment, 19. Hydrology, 20. Urban planning. Yes, civil engineering field is booming with various opportunities that will source individuals to travel and knowledge experiences. The degree is a bridge to learning new attributes of this field that can further help in working at big firms that can assign one to major project management assignments. The worth of this degree is rapidly increasing, considering major opportunities that have attracted individuals with explicit interest in this field of study. Masters in civil engineering salary packages depends on factors like geographical location and designation. Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel to get notification of our latest videos. Do like and comment to our videos. Also press the bell icon to never miss an update.